Hi Bessie, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today I'm finally going to do an unboxing of Baddies Budget 12 Days of Budgeting Advent Calendar, and it's described as a luxury budgeting countdown with tools and goodies that we can't buy anywhere else. Now, full transparency, I didn't get my box in time, so today I'll be doing a catch-up unboxing of day 9 through 12 instead of just the first one. And I can't wait to share what's inside. So let's go ahead and get this box open. So this is my first time actually purchasing anything from Baddies Budgets. I've heard about it. I've seen a few unboxings last year. That's my first time ever seeing an unboxing. Last year from one of my cash stuffers, Bestie, Brittany. So I'm going to try this year because I didn't see the pink thing with it. And I said, you know what, let me go ahead and try it this year. So here we are. I was able to get one. And let's go ahead and open up the first box, which is day 12. Okay, so we did get the envelope with my name on it. And it has the seal here. Let me try to be careful in opening this up. And let me know in the comments whether or not did you get one this year or have you purchased one in previous years. And which year is this? Because like I said, I'm new to this. Okay. And so I did see her scratching off these, but I won't be doing that because it looks like based on what I've seen her scratch off is just telling you what the product is. And I'm just going to wing it as I go. If you haven't got your box yet, you might want to stop here if you don't want to see the products before you actually get the box. Alright, so it's a velvet pouch with a red ribbon. Alright, let's open this up. So for day 12, it includes this red velvet personal ring planner. And I just recently got some velvet dashboards and folders from Cloth and Paper. So it's interesting that I'm getting another velvet item this year. Alright. But I think this will be my first velvet binder. Yeah, I think this will be my first actually velvet binder. Alright, so let me get the tag off of this. So it feels really soft. And one thing with the velvet, it's a good thing that we do have, or that it did come with a pouch to keep it in. Because you definitely want to keep up and make sure that it's stored correctly so it won't get damaged. Okay, so inside it looks like we have some trackers here and some cash envelopes. So it's really, really soft. It's definitely really, really soft. So it does have a variety of pockets inside. So let me remove this from the rings. I'm not sure what size rings this binder is, but it does have the silver hardware in the binder. Alright, let's see how many trackers is included in this. And it looks like the trackers are back and front. And on it, it just says Baddie cash flow trackers. And where you can write in the category on it, your starting balance, and all the things on here. So let's see how many we receive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so it's 6 trackers here with this. Okay, let me go ahead and place that in the pocket. Alright, let me open up the envelopes. Now, I love the black aesthetic. The black is absolutely beautiful. And then I love the, it looks matte. So I'm loving this, and it has a statement on it. Alright, that says save, rinse, repeat. Imagine more. You can. Time to succeed. Challenge accepted. And Grace and Grit. Grace and Grit will go good with my Grace and Grit cloth and paper card that I have. So I definitely could add that to this. Alright, so that is day 12. Let me know your thoughts of the binder and the cash envelopes and the trackers. So let me place this back in the pouch because I definitely want to protect the velvet. And then I'm going to open up day 11. So if you got the advent box in previous years, how many binders did you get in the advent box? Because I want to know if you probably get the same amount this year, but let me know if you got the advent box last year. How many binders did you get and what size? Alright, so this is box 11 right here. So let me get the contents out of the box. And I do love the presentation of the advent box. I love the box, the big box and the way that it was designed and created. That was absolutely pretty. Alright, let's open this up. This is a quilted red pouch. It's similar to the pouches that I got from Cloth and Paper in their sub boxes. Remember the year when Cloth and Paper gave us a pouch every year? It wasn't this year, it was the prior year. But I don't have a red one, so now I have... Do I have a red one? I don't think so. Got brown, black, burgundy, and... Did we get an orange one? I can't remember. Alright, so let's get into the accessories. So it looks like we have accessories with this one here. And this is like a crystal charm that has the 2 ribbons. And one thing I do notice within the budget community, a lot of cash stuffers love to have charms on their binders. Alright. This is a bungee. Looks like the bungee clip here. I do have an orange one like this that I received. It was when we got the commonplace notebooks from Cloth and Paper when we received an orange bungee. So let me get a couple of my planners to show you how this works. So it just holds your books, your planners all together safely. It secures it. Alright. So we did get a bookmark. I love magnetic bookmarks like this. And this looks like a vegan leather one. I really like that. Definitely can use that and add that to my collection. And I really think this magnetic clip will look good with my recent burgundy items that I added to my planner collection. Alright, so we did receive some pouches. Alright, that says professional yapper. A little bougie, yeah. Limited edition. I definitely can add these to my traveling notebooks that I have. That they look good when you add those to. If you have some transparent covers, I have a few of those, and they will look absolutely nice in those. And then I might end up adding it to my inverted notebook. Alright, so planner clips. Got a polka dot. I like the polka dot planner clip. Then we have a red and cream. And then I've been wanting the red sunglasses because I have the black, but I don't have the red. So I'm glad to get that added to my collection. So I like the envelope pins. I love adding magnetic envelope pins to my binders. So I'm definitely going to add these to them as well. And it has the black and silver. It just have different quotes on it. Say less, money minded, the boss, lush. Alright, so we did get some pins. Got a black pen and a red pen. And it does look like it has a stylus on here. For that, I need to start using that. Okay. The red and black is pretty. Okay, we got the tweezer. Okay, let me open up these cards. These look like planner cards right here. Let's see what we got. So let's see how many did we receive. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 planner cards. Okay, and on top of the card it also says inspired. And this one right here says self-reflection, get on it. And it's a card start. Alright, so now let's get to the next card. Alright, this one says stop looking and see, and it has a red foil and it's vellum. So I'm a planner girl, so I love planner cards to add to my planner. Alright, so let's get this next one. And this one says, Baddie, it's time to live for yourself. I love this. And it's kind of like, well, it's not an embossing, but. Okay, so this one says, time to take the moment. And this is cardstock as well. Okay, so this one says, start now. Abundance starts in your decisions, not your income. Start now. Alright. And they're all cardstock, except for that one vellum. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open up the next package. This looks like a personal rings, dashboard, or some type of inserts. Okay, so here's the inserts. It's personal ring. Yeah, no, they're dashboards. So a few is cardstock. Okay, yeah, this black right here. Hold up. Is it one under here? Is this vellum? Okay, so it's the vellum. So I love vellum. And this black, I'll have to go on my blackout planner. And here is a clear transparent one. Let me move the protective film off of this one here. Let's see if I can pull it off with this. I don't think the tip is sharp enough. So let me pull the film off of this here. And I love dashboards. And I definitely can use some new personal ring dashboards in my binder to switch them out. But the black, the clear ones probably would definitely go into my black hole planner. But no, the black one probably will go on my black hole planner. And then the clear one, I might put it in my Louis. The clear one. Make it a backing so you can see this one here. Like that probably go on my Louis one. And I guess I could put these red dashboards in the red velvet binders that I just got from the 12th box. Alright, are you art? And then let me take it off this one here. Let me try to get it. Sometimes it's hard to get the protective film off. But I almost got it. Alright. And so this is, so this would definitely probably go into the red velvet binders. Okay. Let me put, the tip is not really sharp. And so we have A5 dashboards as well. So we got both sizes. And I definitely can add the A5 into my budget planner because I'm doing an A5 budget planner for 2026. So I definitely can put these in there. But I also have a regular planner that I'm doing for 2026 in A5 as well. So I just have to see how I want to do it. So let me know what's your favorite item from day 11 as I put everything. I'm going to put everything in this pouch so I can get to day 10. Alright, so here's day 10 box. Let's see what's inside this box. Alright, so this box is a little bit smaller. So let's see okay. Alright, it's spiral. It looks like a cash envelope savings challenge system here. Love it in black. If it's black, most likely I'm gonna love it. Alright, because it goes with my blackout thing, United Nations of Baddies. Okay, so this must be the back side of it. Alright, so $10. Okay, so this is a $10 challenge here. I like this. Okay. I definitely can implement this into my budget plans and my saving plans for 2026. I bestie, so I'm caught up from day 10 through 12 of the unboxing of Baddies Budgets Advent Box. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications for all so you won't miss my upcoming uploads of the unboxing of the Advent Box. And let me know what's your favorite items in the comment area. And I was thinking about adding those dashboards to this binder, but I think I'm going to wait. Alright, bestie, toodles!